Hi, my name is Ray Dillman. I'll be the instructor for our course that's covering American literature from the Civil War to the modern day. The gist of the course is this, is that every week you're going to read selected material, primarily poetry and short stories, from different genres or different ages from the Civil War up till now. And you'll get a broad scope of American literature since the Civil War. The material that you're going to read are selections from your textbook, which is online, or hyperlinks that you'll also find under the course content of every week. So I put the content up on Tuesdays on your calendar. If you'll click on that, you'll get an idea of what needs to be read that week. Then to further understand, better understand our readings, that we're going to have two discussions every week, weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. There will not be discussions on week 5, but on weeks 1 through 4, you'll have two discussions. The first posting is on Friday, and the second one, where you respond to your 3 classmates, is due on Sunday. And then finally, every week is going to have an essay due at the end of each week, which is Monday. And that essay will help further your understanding of the literature genre that we covered that week, as well as display your knowledge of what you learned. The points breakdown for the course. The course has 1,000 points in total. Each discussion post is worth 40 points. Each essay is worth 120 points, except for week 5. The essay on week 5 is worth 200 points. So that's how the points are broken down through the course for a total of 1,000 points. The best way to go about this course, I think, is to set aside an hour on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to read the material for that week, to get an idea of the poetry, the short stories, genres for that week. And then Friday is when your first discussion post is due. If you've read the sources, you should have a good understanding of the discussion post, of what to write during that discussion post. And then start generating ideas over the weekend while you respond to 3 of your classmates. Develop a draft of what you want to write for the final essay or the essay that's due that week, and then turn in the essay on Monday. I've set up the calendar so that all you need to do is know what the day is, and then you go to the calendar and you'll see what's either due that day or due in the next item that's due. And so you should be able to stay on track that way. My biggest concern is that if you get behind, you start feeling overwhelmed. And I don't want you to feel that way. I want you to enjoy this class. It's a celebration of American literature. You'll get a lot of ideas on our culture today based on understanding where it came from. And the literature that we're going to be reading will give you some idea of things that you see today. And so take it as an opportunity to learn more about the American culture using literature. If you have problems, and life happens, right? But if you have problems, you get behind, you don't understand something, something's not working for you, whatever it is, reach out to me. As you can see, I work here at MacU. I can't fix everything, but I might be able to fix a problem you might have. So reach out to me as soon as you can if you do experience problems. Other than that, I look forward to working with everyone. I hope that you enjoy this course as much as I'm going to enjoy teaching it. And God bless.